Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna do the unboxing of the Garmont T8 Falcon regular tactical boots on a Coyote. Okay, let's dig in, open it, see what is inside. Garmont tactical boots. So the price tag is around 140 euros, but is now on a reduced price of 70 euros as a Black Friday deal. That's for Garmont. Not sure what other models they have on the discount. You can check that out on their website. You can also check out Under Armour website. Has few good deals as well. Check them out on the website. Nice discounts on the tactical boots, 30% off plus free shipping for the US side, and limited deals on specific models for the EU sites. And on Amazon.com, few Under Armour models have that same discount, which you can apply as a coupon when you're checking out. Yeah, you can check that out. Okay, let's open it. Check the box again. T8 Falcon regular, Coyote 45. Okay, let's open it, see how that looks like. Take the knife aside. Okay, that's the boot. Take them out, get rid of the box. Nothing else, no instructions. We got something here, got to show you on the box how to take care of your Garmont boots, some instructions on the box. Okay, let's put that aside. So, that's the boots. T8 Falcon regular. Basically, the materials used for that boot is suede leather and polyester. So we got suede leather, Coyote, all here around and here up. That's polyester. We got the loop on the back, not on the front. That's great to see, easier to put on. The boot is 8-inch high, and they are AR 671 compliance for military, for the US military. And that boot has a regular fit. It has EVA GTF magnet outsole. Is all terrain suitable. So that's the outsole. It has a weird notes, the pattern. This hat, I think, is not gonna worn out that easy. Midsole looks soft. That's good. That means comfort. Classic lacing system, four metal eyelets down, four metal closed hooks. I didn't try them on, so I'm not sure how they fit. They say regular fit. Not sure if they run big or small, narrow or okay. That's the label. Made in China, 45 regular Garmont. Velocity very high, so that's good. Prevent debris to come into the boot. We got padding on the top. That's good to see. Means more comfort. Insoles, I will try to take them out to see. They look thin. Okay, yeah, they are super thin. Okay, that's the insole. That's basic insole, nothing fancy. Ultra thin, but soft. Looks okay. Yeah, it looks nice. We got here suede with some holes for ventilation. Yes. Well built boots. The laces are flat. That material is polyester, I guess. Not sure if they are waterproof. They are not mentioned as waterproof. Not sure what kind of water resistance they have. Yeah, that's the boot. Let's see the boot around. One more time. It's a good boot. And now on the Black Friday deals comes in a great price. From 140 euros to 70, that's we go for it. GF Garmont. Yeah, that was it. That's the boot. Let me know in the comments what you think about the boots, and I will come back to you once I will try them on and see the fitting, etc. I will add some additional comments. Yeah, that was it. Thanks for watching, and if you like the video, please give thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks. Bye.